Hello, David here, and the project for today is programming a second remote control for my daughter's garage door opener. My garage door opener is from the 1970s, and it's got little dip switches that you have to match in the remote with the dip switches in the master unit inside the garage. My daughter's garage door opener is a Chamberlain from 2004. It's a model 41A 5483-4B, and her garage door opener doesn't have those dip switches from the olden days. It's got a computer that changes the code every time you use it. So this is a LiftMaster remote model 971LM. It's my understanding that LiftMaster and Chamberlain are owned by the same companies. This is for use with a 390 megahertz garage door opener. And if you're going to buy a remote, you have to make sure that the remote matches the learn button on the main unit. So if this was the main unit right here, you have to look at the color of the learn button. Some are red and some are orange. This particular unit works with an orange learn button, and the way you program it is you go to the unit and immediately press and release the learn button, and the learn LED will glow for 30 seconds, and within that 30 seconds you press and hold the button on the remote control. Then you release it and the garage door opener lights blink, or 2 clicks are heard. Make sure you don't hold that button for too long. If you press and hold the learn button on the opener for more than 6 seconds, all the previous codes are erased and you're going to have to program all the remote controls. The instructions don't mention whether the battery is included or not, but it takes a 3-volt lithium battery number CR2032. I paid about $28 in 2022 money for this on eBay. You'll find them cheaper for maybe $15 or $20, but check the reviews carefully. A lot of those companies are making cheap knockoffs. The quality control is poor and people have been complaining about them failing. This particular unit is made for LiftMaster by a company in Mexico, and as far as I can tell, it is an authorized LiftMaster brand. Alright, I'm up in the attic of the garage at the back of the garage door opener. The learn button is right there. I'm going to quickly press it. And I'm going to hold on this remote. Did you hear that? The light just clicked. Let me test it. It's working. Hey, that was easy. Let's make sure the old one works. Here's the old opener. And that's still working. Here's a new one. Here's another angle of the learn process so you can see what the light does when you press the remote button. Press quickly on the learn button. I'll press and hold the remote. That's it. It blinks once. Let's test it. Working great. This process couldn't be any easier. I want to thank you guys and gals for watching. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and ring that bell for more great videos from David GPO.